Hey, I want to show you a really quick way to make a capsule for ingesting oils eternally. You can get these off of Amazon. They're a 0 or a 000. And then I have a um, hand pump that I got off of Amazon also that I keep our carrier oils in to be able to cook with and to be able to use the oils with. You take the larger size of the capsule, sorry, see, and then you fill it up with, about 2 or 3 pumps of the carrier oil. And then you're going to, if you hadn't put the lid on so tight, of your essential oil, you would have already dropped, depending on how many drops you want in there, you'd go ahead and add your drops to that. Then you're going to take your other end of the capsule, close it back, and then just pop it in your mouth and take it. It's one easy way to get oils into your system without having to put them in a tea or just consume them right off. You can put them in a capsule and take them that way. So there you go. How to make a capsule.